Thank you, guys.
Stop.
Can you hear me? Ah, you're doing great. You go to the bathroom? Can you hear me? That was a very good white noise you did. Can you do it again, please? One more. Thank you guys so much. There's a lot of people that are curious about that noise. No one else catches that. You're the only guys that can do that. Tom, yes, you. You can do that. Can you make that noise again? You know what I'm talking about? They're calling Thomas to do it. Hi, Tom. How are you? Trying to make white noise? I heard that all skipped. In. Thank you. You guys are talking very good tonight, and I appreciate it. Thank you for making the white noise, guys, okay? You make it? You did. Good night, guys. Trying to? You don't have to do it no more. You're trying to, but you don't have to. Do you want to? Well, if you want to, go ahead. I heard yes. If you can't do it, it's okay. Okay, guys, thank you for doing it once already tonight. You did it enough earlier today, too. Tomorrow you will? Calling Thomas again. I heard you. I heard you. You are very good at that. Thank you. You are. I heard you say I am, and you are. Do you guys like talking to me? Okay, good night, guys. Good night.